Now let's create a box and whisker plot using our 5-number summary. Quick vocab for us: a box and whisker plot is a graph that has a box between the first and third quartiles, and you can see the picture down here is this box. There's a line at the median going straight up and down here, and then it has lines that extend to the minimum and maximum that reach out from these quartiles all the way up to the min and max. And what it does is it makes it easier to see and interpret our 5-number summary. So we're going to go straight down to our example. We're going to use the data from our previous example on the previous slide, where our minimum was 4, our max was 24, and we have these values in between. And what we need to do is start out with a number line, and by that I mean a line going all the way across where we have little marks on the page. So I might start at 0, and then have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And I need to make sure that they're evenly spaced so that I can better understand and interpret the data later on. So the reason I started at 0 is not because there's anything special about starting there. I could have really started anywhere. This example up here started at 20. Is because my minimum, my lowest number, happens to be pretty close to 0. That's why I started there. And my max, my highest number, is pretty close to 25, so I just, out of convenience, decided to use 5 as the number I count by on my number line. So we got 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. And the reason I label it ahead of time again is that it makes it easier to keep my graph proportional and the lines as straight as they need to be. Now I'm going to start graphing, and I'm going to start with my median and my quartiles and try to draw this box. So my quarter 1 is at 11. So I draw a little line at 11. Quarter 3 is at 19. And now I can draw a box that puts these together. So once you've got your quartiles, you've got a box. I can put my median in at 16. That's going to be a straight up and down line here at 16. And then finally I have my max and my min. So I have my max up here and my min down here. And then I need to draw little whiskers to get from them to the rest of it. So there's a little whisker. There's another one. And so the idea with a box and whisker plot is that you can very quickly identify the 5-number distribution just by looking at this information on the